How to enable nearby sharing in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to turn it on so you can share files wirelessly with other nearby Windows devices. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on System in the left sidebar. After that, click on Nearby Sharing on the right side of the screen. At this point, you'll see two options: My Devices Only and Everyone Nearby. Choose My Devices Only if you only want to share between devices signed into the same Microsoft account, or select Everyone Nearby if you want to share with any Windows device in range. From here, you can also change the folder where received files get saved by clicking Change under the Save Files I Received to section. Following this, to actually share a file, open File Explorer, right-click on the file you want to send, and select Share from the menu. After that, nearby devices with nearby sharing enabled will appear in the Share panel. Click the device you want to send to, and they'll get a prompt to accept the file on their end. Finally, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are both turned on while using nearby sharing, as it relies on both to detect and connect to other devices. That's how you enable nearby sharing in Windows 11. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you then.